If you have any discount on BR, discount on bills receivable should not be shown in the consignor account, so neglect it. See, while calculating or while doing the consignment account, take both direct expenses and indirect expenses. Hello my dear students, I am Rajesh sir, faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Year College, MYSURU, a Temple of Excellence. My dear students, in today's session I am going to handle the subject Financial Accounting 2 for 2nd Sem BCom, and the topic is Accounting for Consignment Transaction. Now let's go to the first problem. So Bajaj Company Limited, Pune regularly consigns a motor bike to their agent. So here Bajaj Company is the consignor and the Vinayaka agency is the consignee here. So during the quarter ending 31st March 2019, the company sent a consignment of 10 motor. This is 10 motorbikes at a cost rupees 30,000 rupees each. So for how much? 30,000 rupees each we are sending for. Next one, what is the direct expenses? Freight charges rupees 1,000 and insurance rupees 500 rupees. Next one, as one motorbike was badly damaged during the transit and rendered unsaleable, the insurer took over the motorbike and settled the claims for 25,000 rupees only. So 25,000 rupees only, insurance company is paying 25,000 rupees. So how many bikes destroyed? The one motorbike destroyed. What is the cost of motorbike? Here 30,000 is the cost of motorbike, plus how much is spent on the other charges, freight and insurance he has paid. So 1,500 rupees totally. For how many motorbikes? For 10 motorbikes. For 10 motorbikes, this is 10. So 10 motorbikes, that means 150 rupees per motorbike he has spent 150 rupees. So that means add 150 rupees here. What is the actual cost? 30,000. 150 is the actual cost of all motorbikes. And insurance company is paying only 25,000. So 25 deduct 25,000 here. So if we deduct this, so it is 5,150 is the abnormal loss. So actual loss or the accidental loss is 30,150. Insurance company is paying 25,000. Remaining is the abnormal loss. Next one, Vinayaka agency cleared the consignment on arrival at Mysore and the paid the unloading and cartridge. This is the direct expenses. Unloading and cartridge is the 150 rupees and accepted the bill drawn for rupees 1,80,000. This is the security deposit made by the consignee to consignor. Next one, and in which the discounted by the Bajaj Company Limited 12% per annum. The consignee sold 8 bikes. So out of 20 bikes, he has sold 8 bikes. He has sold 8 bikes, and also the price at a price of 39,000 each, of which 5 motorbikes were sold on credit. So out of 8, so 5 on credit. So remaining 3 on cash basis he has sold. Next one, they incurred the following additional expenses. These are all the indirect expenses: salesman salary, godown charges, advertisement expenses. We should not take this for calculation of closing stock. Keep this in mind. The consignee is entitled 5% commission on total sales. On total sales, you will be get 5% commission on credit sale. So what is the credit sale here? 5 motorbikes was on credit sale. So this is the, on 5 motorbikes you will pay 2% extra commission. The total sale we have to calculate. Next one, Vinayaka agency sent a bank draft. So after deducting all the expenses and other, now his commission, he will send the bank draft to the consignor. Now let's go to the first calculation of cost of one motorbike. What is the cost of one motorbike here? So here one motorbike cost is 30,000 rupees. So 30,000 plus the expenses of consignor. What he has made expenses? So how much he has paid? 1,000 rupees plus 500 rupees. For 10 bikes he has paid 1,000. So for 10 bikes 1,500 divided by 10 bikes means 150 rupees is the per bike cost, 150 rupees. Next one, this is the accidental loss. 30,150 is the accidental loss, minus recovered from insurance company is 25,000 is the recovered from insurance company, 25,000. So abnormal loss is 5,150 is the abnormal loss. Now coming to the calculation of closing stock. How many total motorbikes consigned here? So we consigned 10 motorbikes. Out of that, motorbike damaged is 1 motorbike damaged. So goods in transit is nil. So we don't have any goods in transit. So minus 1 motorbike. Again, motorbikes sold. How many motorbikes he sold? So he sold 8 motorbikes. So he has sold 8 motorbikes. 8 motorbikes sold. That means closing stock is 1 motorbike is still in closing stock. Now let's calculate the value of motorbikes. So what is the cost of one motorbike? This is the closing stock value. So what is the cost of one motorbike is 30,000. The expense of consignor is, so 1,500 divided by 10 equals to 150. The expense of consignee, while calculating closing stock, we should take only direct expenses. See here, what is direct expenses? These are all the indirect expenses we should not take. So he has paid here. So unloading and octroi charges he has paid 1,500 for how many motorbikes? Here I will calculate. So he has received only how many motorbikes? He received only, out of 10 he received only 9 motorbikes, isn't it? So 1,500 divided by 9 motorbikes he has received. So it is how much you get? So 1,500 divided by 9 motorbikes equals to, so 106.67. So per motorbike charge is 106.67. Why? Only because one motorbike is damaged because of an accident or because of goods in transit. The damage is one motorbike. Remaining motorbikes, how many motorbikes he received? Only 9 motorbikes he received. On 9 motorbikes, how much he has spent? So he has spent 1,500 rupees. So divided by, for one motorbike is 1,500 divided by 9 motorbike equals to, so 167 rupees he has paid for each motorbike. So deduct this amount 167. If you add that, so you'll get, so 30,000 plus 150. So 30,000 plus cost of consignor is 150 plus cost of consignor is 167. The total cost is 30,000. Closing stock value is 30,317 is the actual value of closing stock. Now let's go to the calculation of sales. So how many sales? He received only 9 motorbikes. Out of that, 5 motorbikes was sold on credit basis. Remaining 3 motorbikes on cash basis. So 5 into, what is the sales value? 39,000 each. So into 39,000. Here also into, so 39,000. So into 39,000. So let's calculate now. 5 into 39,000 equals to, so cash sales equals to, it is 1,17,000 is the cash sales. Again credit sale 39,000 into 5. So it is 1,95,000. Total sales equals to, so 3,12,000. So this is the total sales. Next one, calculation of commission. So on cash sale, on total sales we should give 5% commission. What is the total commission? Let's calculate here. What is the total commission here? So 5% is the commission on total sales, 2% on del creditor. So let's calculate here. So on total sales 5%. Ordinary commission 3,12,000 into 5%. Again on credit sale 1,95,000 into 2%. So it is 3,12,000 into 5 by 100. So get, it is 15,600. Again 1,95,000 into 2 divided by 100. It is 3,900. So total commission is 15,600. So total commission is 19,500. If you have any discount on BR, discount on bills receivable should not be shown in the consignor account, so neglect it. So we should not show this one, neglect it. Don't show discount on BR should not be shown in the consignor account. Please neglect it. Okay. Now let's go to the problem. Now what is the goods sent on consignment? What is the total goods sent on consignment here? So goods sent on consignment, what is the cost price of 30,000 is the cost price into how many goods, how many motorbikes? 10 motorbikes we have sold. So it is 30,000 into 10 motorbikes. It is 3 lakh. Next one. Here he has not given the invoice price, so we can write this cost price. So he has not given the invoice. Next one, to bank account. So what is the expenses of consignor? What is the expense of consignor here? So he has made consignor has paid 1000 rupees. So 1000 rupees for the freight and 500 rupees for insurance. So freight is 1000, insurance is 500, total it is 1500. Again coming to consignee account. So what are the expenses of consignee? So here he has given the direct expenses is 1500 rupees. So unloading and octroi 1500. So it is 1500. Again salesman salary. So what is the salesman salary here? 2000 rupees. 2000 salesman salary. Again go down charges. What is the go down charges he has paid? 500. Again advertisement expenses, these are all indirect expenses. Okay, 300 rupees advertisement charges. See, while calculating or while doing the consignment account, take both direct expenses and indirect expenses. But while calculating the closing stock, don't take indirect expenses, only direct expenses should be shown. Keep this in mind. So 1500 plus 2000 plus 500 plus 300. So you get 4300. 4300. Next one, to consignee commission paid. So what is the commission? So we have calculated the commission. Total commission is 19,500. It is commission is 19,500. Next, coming to the consignee, sales made by consignee. What is the total sales he has made? So total sales is 3,12,000 is the total sales. So 3,12,000. Again, so what is the accidental loss? So accidental loss we have calculated. So accidental loss is 30,150 is the accidental loss. So 30,150 is the accidental loss. So what is our closing stock value? So value of closing stock is 30,317. 30,317. So this is 30,150. So 30,150 is the accidental loss. Closing stock is 30,317. Now calculate the profit, either profit or loss. So it is 3,12,000 plus 30,150 plus 30,317. So it is, our amount is 3,72,467. Here also 3,72,467. So let's calculate the difference. 3 lakh plus 1,500 plus 4,300 plus 19,500. So what is the difference? 3,72,467. The difference is 47,167 is the difference. That is the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account difference is, if you deduct all these items from the 3,72,467, so the difference is 47,167. Now let's go to the next, consignee account. So what is the total sales he made? So what is the total sales he has made? So 3,12,000. So 3 lakh out of 3,12,000. So he will deduct his deposit. What is the deposit he has made here? See, he has, so draw the bill. So he has draw the bill. BR, bills receivable, is 1,80,000. So we should neglect this. Any discount on BR, don't take or don't consider any discount on BR. So we should neglect it. So only take 1,80,000. So this is the security deposit he has made, 1,80,000. You will deduct all the amount, remaining amount he will pay to. So out of 3,12,000 rupees. So he will deduct all the expenses, his commission and his deposit. Remaining amount will be transferred to consignor account. So next one, by consignment. So what is the expenses he has made here? So what is the expenses, total expenses he has made? So total is 4,300 rupees expenses he has paid. So right, 4,300. Next one, what is the commission? So what is his commission? Let's calculate the, so commission is 19,500. 19,500. Remaining amount should be transferable to consignor account. So it is, let's that 3,12,000 here. Here also 3 lakh 12,000. So remaining amount should be transferred. So 1,80,000 plus 4,300 plus 19,500. So the amount is 2,03,800 minus 3,12,000. The amount is, so 1,08,200 should be transferred to consignor bank account. Now next point, accidental loss account. So what is the total loss, accidental loss here? So accidental loss we have calculated. Our accidental loss is 30,150. So take our 30,150. Out of 30,150, insurance company is giving how much? Only 25,000. Insurance company is giving only 25,000. So insurance company by bank account 25,000. So remaining is the abnormal loss. Remaining is the abnormal loss. What is the abnormal loss? 5,150 is the abnormal loss. 5,150. So both sides should tally. 30,150. 30,150. Now last one, goods sent on consignment account. So what is the goods, total goods sent? So what is the goods sent, total goods sent here? So we have sent 10 bikes at the cost price of 30,000 rupees. That means 3 lakh rupees. So we have sent, so it is 30,000 into 10 bikes. That is 3 lakh rupees. So here also 3 lakh. 3 lakh. So total value 3 lakh, 3 lakh. Like this, we should do the goods sent. For example, see in goods sent on consignment account. So what is the consignment to MYSURU? Consignment to place account. So what is the consignment to place account here? See consignment here under consignment account. It is, what is journal entry? Consignment to place account are 2 goods sent on consignment. Journal entry, consignment to place account are 2 goods sent on consignment account. So in consignment to place account, we should write in debit side. So in consignment to, in goods sent on consignment account, we should write in consignment to place account credit side. So we have to write in consignment to place account or MYSURU account credit side. The remaining is trading account. So the journal entry only, we are converting journal entry to ledger only. Now in the next session, we will discuss one more problem. Till then, thank you so much.